Hello, I'm ESL Teacher Bee. Today we learn questions. Questions. Is he working now? Is he working now? Is he working now? Yes, he is. He is very busy. Yes, he is. He's very busy. Yes, he is. He's very busy. Is he driving? Is he driving? Is he driving? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Are they eating now? Are they eating now? Are they eating now? Yes, they are. They are hungry. Yes, they are. They're hungry. Yes, they are. They're hungry. Is she cooking? Is she cooking? Is she cooking? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Is he working now? Is he working now? Is he working now? No, he isn't. He is sleeping. No, he isn't. He's sleeping. No, he isn't. He's sleeping. Is he driving? Is he driving? Is he driving? No, he isn't. He is swimming. No, he isn't. He's swimming. No, he isn't. He's swimming. Are they eating? Are they eating? Are they eating? No, they aren't. They are reading. No, they aren't. They're reading. No, they aren't. They're reading. Are they walking? Are they walking? Are they walking? No, they aren't. They are running. No, they aren't. They're running. No, they're not. They're running. Is he cooking? Is he cooking? Is he cooking? No, he isn't. He is playing soccer. No, he isn't. He's playing soccer. No, he isn't. He's playing soccer. Thanks.